You don't know me.
Now what you want to do is just beat the ever-loving. Jesus. I don't know what this dough has done to wrong you, sir.
Yeah, this is brutal.
We made dough sausages.
What was that, Chad? What did you say a minute ago?
Huh?
What did you say a minute ago?
Oh, that it hurts your stomach.
What did you say about a fatality?
Oh. I don't know. It's just gonna kill you.
Fatality. This is brutal. Alright, Anton, we tried your move, but we failed. Okay.
Can we make this like the ALS ice bucket challenge? It's like, I challenge these people to try to make noodles.
Yeah. This is gnarly. Okay. We're not gonna give up though.
No. But in the meantime, I'm gonna eat some more ramen noodles.
Like,
we're not there yet.
we're gonna make. That's the one right there. Still trying to choke it down. Quiet, Cheyenne. There's her delicious bowl of ramen over there. A nice sorry excuse for stuff right here. I just don't want to waste it just because, but oh, this is brutal. I mean, brutal. Oh.
I made a chicken salad earlier, and I was like, oh my god, why did I make myself all this soup? I'm gonna have to save for later and microwave it or something. Tastes good though.
Is your soup okay?
Mm-hmm. Mm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still working on mine. Yeah. Right.
Oh, hi. Welcome to my kitchen. Let me put my soup away in privacy. I'm finishing.
Now,
Okay.
this is incredible because these honking chunks that she has in this thing right here taste awesome. May I have some?
Yes, of course.
Mine were brutal. Those actually taste like noodles. This is gonna work. If we can perfect the handful method, we're in. I mean, we're totally in. Oh, these noodles these are really good. Man, we get the right broth.
What am I doing?
My noodles, brutal. Those noodles actually taste like noodles. They're chewy. Just the right amount of salt. There's nothing on those. They taste pretty good.
Now we begin the cutting process. Cutting each and every noodle.
See, I'm zooming in without zooming in. I'm just actually leaning forward because I'm an old fart and I don't know how to work my phone.
You gotta pinch, Dad. You gotta pinch.
Hey, you do it just like they do on those cooking videos where the guy actually moves his fingers back or the chick moves their finger back, you know, and it's so awesome.
I think we're more so making pasta than noodles, though. Not gonna lie.
Oh, man, you know what? This is the coolest thing ever.
It has the green, so it kind of ties in
Any tips for our viewers?
with the green, and then it has kind of that.
I tried flattening it out by hand. That's why those guys came out so chunky. So I had to roll out the dough. We didn't have a wooden rolling pin, so I just used a long cup. If you try to that's scarfing on noodles behind the camera. If you try to roll the dough out without putting flour on it first, it's gonna stick to your cup or stick to the counter, and it's gonna like fold up, and you're not gonna be able to get it flat. So make sure that you put flour on both sides of the dough, and then when you do that, you're able to roll it out nice and thin. I normally hold it up, see how thin it is, feel how thin it is, and then you just put it on here, and then put some of that flour on, and
Water boiling. We're gonna throw this in the pot. All right, we're gonna figure out a name for this channel, but if you made it this far, thanks for hanging in there with us.
that's what we'll call it. If you made it this far, congratulations.
And there's some people who actually pulled this off. I'm gonna include those videos in the description. Okay, those amateurs are awesome. And anyway, we're gonna get this down, and hopefully our next video will actually show some real honest to God hand pulled noodles, because we're pretty psyched about this. So, alrighty. Okay, so we're editing the video for day 2. I'm eating my daughter's pasta. And I just realized I'm eating her pasta as she's editing this video, the final touches on it before we post it. And this pasta is absolutely delicious. I mean, and I thought, how cool is this? I realized what I was doing, so I grabbed the old phone and decided to record. All right.
No spoilers! Stop it! No!